In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to create a checklist in Notion, step by step, even if you're completely new to the platform. Checklists in Notion are incredibly powerful because they help you stay organized, track tasks, and build simple productivity systems that actually stick. Whether you're managing daily habits, work tasks, or personal to-dos, this method will give you a clean and flexible checklist you can reuse anytime. If you find this video helpful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more easy Notion tutorials and productivity guides. All right, let's jump right in. First, open your browser and go to Notion. Once you're logged in, you'll land on your Notion workspace. From here, look at the left sidebar and click on the home page. This is where all your recent pages live, and it's usually the best place to start when creating something new. Next, click on a new page that you've recently created, or create a fresh blank page if needed. This will open up an empty canvas where we'll build our checklist from scratch. At the top of the page, type in a clear heading. In this example, I'm typing checklist creation, but you can name it anything that matches your use case, like daily tasks or personal checklist. Once your heading is in place, move your cursor to a new line below it. Now type /database. This brings up Notion's database options. From the list, click on Database-Inline. This creates a simple database directly inside your page, which is perfect for checklists. After the database appears, you'll be asked to name it. Go ahead and type a name for your database. In this example, I'm naming it Tasks. This will be the container for all of the checklist items you add. Next, you'll see a column called Name. Click on the Name column header to rename it. Change the name from Name to Task. This makes it much clearer that each row represents a task in your checklist. Now it's time to add some tasks. Click on New Page inside the database to create your first task. Type in your first item, such as walk the dog. Then click New Page again to add another task. This time type water the dog, and once again add a new page. For the third task, type workout once a day. At this point, you have a list of tasks, but it's not a checklist yet. To turn this into a real checklist, look for the Add Property button at the top of the database. Click on it, and from the property types, choose Checkbox. This instantly adds a checkbox column to your database. And just like that, your checklist is created. You can now click the checkboxes next to each task to mark them as done. As you check items off, Notion automatically keeps everything organized and visually clear. This setup is great because you can expand it later by adding due dates, tags, or priorities if you want. Your database with a checklist is now ready to use. You've successfully created a simple, flexible checklist in Notion that you can customize for daily tasks, habits, or work projects. If this video helped you, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more Notion tutorials and productivity tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.